X plus y equal to x minus y squared. X and y are integers. And for example, we can say x and y are from negative 100 to positive 100. And we want to find all answers for x and y. Because we have x minus y squared by famous identity, we use that a minus b squared equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. If we apply it here, it will be x squared plus y squared minus 2xy. And now, if I take all things to right hand side, it will be 0, x squared plus y squared minus 2xy minus x minus y. Now it is a quadratic function in terms of x. How? It is x squared plus x times negative 2y, negative 1, and plus, let's check, it is this plus y squared minus y. So 1 times 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 terms. Now we want to solve this quadratic equation in terms of x. Now, if you don't know quadratic formula is what, let me write for you. Ax squared plus, you should know this. X equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a because it's useful in many math exams and so much basics. X equals negative b here, b is this part. Negative 2y minus 1 plus minus square root of negative 2y minus 1 squared minus 4ac. A is 1, c is y squared minus y all over 2a, which is 2 times 1. So we don't need this function anymore. No. Negative 2y minus 1, because we have a squared, we can say it is 2y plus 1. And for this, you should know this formula, that a plus b squared. A squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Let's apply it here. Let's simplify. Negative negative 2y will be 2y. Negative negative 1 will be plus 1 plus minus square root of 2y plus 1 squared. It will be 2y squared, 4y squared plus 1 squared plus 2 times 2y times 1 plus 4y. Now, negative 4 times y squared, negative 4y squared, negative 4 times negative y, which will be 4y, all over 2. And it will be 2y plus 1 plus minus. And negative 4y squared will be cancelled, plus square root of 8y plus 1 all over 2. You know 8y plus 1 should be perfect square because x is integer and y is also integer. And then this integer, it will be odd plus odd number, even plus minus odd over 2 will be integer. So the only thing we should pay attention, 8y plus 1 should be perfect square. So let me write this next page. X equal to 2y plus 1 plus minus square root of 8y plus 1 all over 2. And we know x and y are from negative 100 and positive 100. So here, 8y plus 1 should be perfect squares. So y is at least 0. Because 8y plus 1 should be a perfect square. For example, p squared. So y is at least 0. And now, if we check, because y is at least 0, because if y is, for example, negative 1 or less than that, this part will be negative, but t squared is at least 0. And y is also at most 100. 8y plus 1 is at least 1 and at most 801. It should be perfect square. So 8y plus 1 can be 1 squared, 3 squared, let's check, 25 squared, 27 squared, which will be 729, 29 squared, which will be 841. No, it is not possible. So the last one is 21 squared. Now, we found all these numbers. Then we should find y. And then when you find y, we can find x. So, let's see also the things we've not used. Okay. So, let's write y, 8y plus 1 Let's write all cases. 1 squared, 3 squared, 9. Uh, I think it's better to write in new page. Let's write 8y plus 1 equal. Can be 1, can be 9, 3 squared, 5 squared, 25, 7 squared, 49, and 9 squared, 81, 111 squared, 1, 2, 113 squared, 169, 15 squared, 225, 17 squared, 289, 19 squared, 361, 21 squared, 441, 23 squared, 529, 25 squared, 625, 27 squared. The last one is 841. Now, 8y plus 1 is a perfect square, and we found all these cases. Now we want to find y. For each case, you subtract by 1, divide by 8. 0 divide by 8, 8 divide by 8, 1. 24 divide by 8, 3. 48 divide by 8, 6. 80 divide by 8, 10. 120 divide by 8, 15. 168. If you divide 168 divide by 8, it will be 2 times 18, 16, and 21. The next one, 224 divided by 8. 2 times 8, 16. We have 64, 8. Next one, 289 minus 1, 288 divided by 8. Do 3 times 8, 24, 48. 6 times 8, 48. The next one, 360 divided by 8. With 4 times 8, 32, 40, 5 times 8. The next one, 440 divided by 8. It will be 5 times 8, 40. 5 times 8, 40. The next one, 528 divided by 8. 7 times 8, 56. So 6 times 8, 48. 2 plus 2, 448. It will be 6. 6 to 4 divided by 8. It will be 7 times 8, 56, 64, 78. And last one, 840 divided by 8. It will be 1045. Okay, now we found y. Let's use formula for x. It is 2y plus 1 plus minus square root of 8y plus 1. So x is 2y plus 1 plus minus the square root of 841, square root of, sorry, 8y plus 1 all over 2. Now, let's see what we have. Here, for x, this part, 2y plus 1 will be 1. 1 plus minus the square root of 8y plus 1. 8y plus 1 is 1. So, y is 0. It will be 1 over 2. And if I want to write x can be, so here for this case, y0, x can be 0, 1. So it is for first case. The next case. Let's write below each other. Half place. 0, 1. Now the next one. Let's change the color. Y is 1. 2y plus 1 is 3. 3 plus minus square root of 8y plus 1, which is 3 over 2. It will be 6 over 2, 3 or 0. Let's check in our main equation, x plus y, x minus y squared, x plus y, x minus y squared. For example, 0, 0 works, 0, 1 also works. 1, 3, left side, 4, right side. Yes, we will see these numbers work. And now, let's check this one. It is 3. X is 2y plus 1, 7. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Plus minus square root of 25, which is 5, all over 2. 7 plus 5, 12 over 2, 6. 7 minus 5, 2 over 2, 1. So let's erase these things. Now, let's focus on next part. With me. 49, 6. X will be 2 times 6 plus 1, 13, plus minus 7 over 13 plus 7, 20 over 2, 10. 13 minus 7, 6. 6 over 2, 3. Let's erase this part. Next one. 2 times 10 plus 1, 21 plus minus 9 over 2, 30 over 2, 15. 21 minus 9 is what? Is 13. Is 12. 12 over 2, 6. The 21 minus 10 is 11 plus 1. 12 over 2, 6. Now, next one. So 2 times 15 plus 1, 31 plus minus 11 over 2 square root of 1 to 1. 31 plus 11 will be 42. 42 over 2, 21. 31 minus 11, 20. 20 over 2, 10. Let's erase the next. Let me tell you something. We have these cases that are left as a homework because it doesn't have any new thing. Try to find all other answers. For each of them, you will find two answers. And if you want to find the number of answers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 times 2, 28 answers. And I've written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 answers. Try to write all other 14 answers. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and like the video. Thanks, Aunt. And let me tell you something. 8y plus 1 squared, why it was for odd numbers, all odd perfect square, or and we can write it as 8y plus 1 because the remainder of any odd perfect square when divided by 8 is 1. It is also an important lemma. If you want to know the proof of this or other things, you can send message to my WhatsApp number in the comments and description. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.